Hello dear Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your weekly love reading for the third week of February, which starts from the 17th of February till the 23rd. Now, if you are in a relationship, complicated situationship or marriage, please think of a question, then watch this reading. You will definitely get an answer. Your cards are already out, so let's see. You've got the Initiate card and the Eight of Suns, and you've got the Two of Moons and the Peppers. Wow. So a lot of you could be seeing 2 2 also. I do see 2 2 being very relevant. So you can Google the meaning of 2 2. If you're seeing it, you could be seeing other numbers as well, but 2 2 is very prominent. I do see new beginnings in your life, right? I do see you starting something new. Either you are going to make a proposal to somebody. If you are planning to, yes, it's a very good time. The answer is going to be positive, or you are going to expect a proposal. Now, it can be a relationship proposal, it can be a marriage proposal, or it can be an invitation to meet and have a cup of coffee as well. So, definitely somebody is approaching you. It can be a new person, it can be a person from the past. So, anything, any situation that you're dealing with, I do see you moving forward and starting something new. It can be a reconciliation with somebody which you had stopped talking with for a long time, no contact, right? Or it was a situationship and this person was not committing to you. He will be committing or she will be committing to you in the third week. 100% I do see you celebrating something. It can be a union, a fresh union. It can be all the marriages problem that you were dealing with, all those problems going away, or it can be a new relationship as well, or marriage, right? So you could be planning to get engaged or married, or getting into a committed relationship, or getting back with your ex, or all the problems going away. Also, if you're married and you were waiting for a pregnancy news, then that is also very much possible. So definitely you guys are celebrating something, Leos, in the third week of February. With the Two of Moons and the Two of Peppers, that's very clear that it's a union of two beautiful people. So it's not one-sided for sure. I also see friendship card. I also see attachment card. So it could be that you both are equally attracted to each other and you both are like friends, right? You feel very comfortable with each other. It's not something that is making you uncomfortable or fearful to start. You're very happy to start this new beginning. I also see that your partner sees you as a mature person, as somebody who's not impulsive and who will think twice before making a decision. They might be even be a little intimidated by you. So definitely, if you think that they are intimidated by you, then you can make the first approach. You can make the first proposal or take the first step, or you can just wait and make them comfortable so that they can approach you. Okay, Leos, overall I do feel it's going to be a great week for you. If you guys want to claim the positive energy of this reading, please comment, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy. And if you think there's still some questions which you would like to ask, whether that's regarding your love life, career, health, anything, you're free to book a reading with me. You can either email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can DM me at the Moksha Tarot as well. Okay. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you resonated with my reading. Take care of yourself and I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.